Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up client tax packet using Jotform templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up a client tax packet using Jotform templates, begin by creating a Jotform account if you don't have one already. Visit the Jotform website and click on sign up in the upper right corner. Once your account is created, log in to access your dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the Create Form button. You will see options for starting from scratch, using a template, or importing a form. For this guide, select Use Template. In the Template gallery, type Tax Packet in the search bar to find relevant templates. Browse through the options and select a tax packet template that suits your needs. Click on the chosen template to preview it. If satisfied, click the Use Template button. This will open up the form builder where you can customize the template to fit your requirements. Begin editing by clicking on any field that you wish to modify. Adjust the question text, field type, and settings as needed. To add new fields, use the menu on the left side to drag and drop elements onto your form. Consider adding fields like checkboxes, drop-downs, or file upload options for documents. To ensure the form is user-friendly, preview it by clicking on the Preview Form button at the top. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content, click on the Publish button. You will receive a link to your form that you can share with your clients. You may also want to set up email notifications to receive submissions directly to your inbox. In the settings, find the Email section to configure email alerts. Make sure to test the form by submitting it yourself to ensure everything works as planned. You can adjust any settings or fields based on your test submission. When you're comfortable with the client tax packet, share the form link with your clients. Encourage them to complete the form accurately to streamline the tax preparation process. With this setup, you can efficiently collect and manage your client's tax information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.